Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Many years. The struggle started during my college days itself. I tried convincing them कि मुझे जाना है राइड पे तो आज नहीं अगर वो लोग हाँ बोल देते तो I don't have a bike, I don't have proper gears, I don't know whom to go with on ride. So initially it was really hard for me to digest all these trolls and people talking behind my bike because again it was new for them and they thought that लड़की है तो पूरा attention ले लेगी वो. But this 9 to 5 thing didn't really work for me. Only job which came up on Google was delivery boy. So this is something new for me which I faced. इसके पहले मैंने कभी नहीं किया था अकेली अगर लड़की ट्रैवल करती तो उसको रूम्स नहीं मिलते स्टे करने के लिए और जब मैंने हाफ वे में टर्न कर लिया था गाड़ी उतरने टाइम में उनमें से एक बोला था एंड द एक्सेंट व्हिच यूज वाज और छोरी किधर जाना है आई डोंट नो हाउ they came to know it's a girl who's riding. Motor vlogging is struggle, but if you really want to do it, I think you will do it.
Hello guys, this is Kajal from India Forums, and today we have with us somebody very special and very influential, rider girl Vishaka. So welcome to India Forums, Vishaka. And firstly, congratulations for being the first female motor vlogger because I think that's very unique. And I think you hold 2 book of records as well for riding, right?
2 India Book of Records, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a pleasure to have you with us. So we'll talk about your riding journey, your experiences, and more further. But firstly, I want to know that, it's been more than 2 months that the lockdown has happened and, everybody's stuck in their homes. So how much have you missed your bikes and your rides?
Oh, I miss my bike and my rides a lot. Firstly, I during this lockdown, I never thought I'm gonna wear a blazer and sit at my place, and do all the meetings and video call and conferencing online. So things have really changed a lot. And about riding, that's I think so. I always say that riding is fueling to my soul and fuel to my passion and life. Um, so these 2 months there has been no fuel and I've been like just surviving. But now that it's just been I think a day now. This unlock phase 1 has happened, and I just did my first ride. So I feel very good and I feel very fresh after that ride. But the lockdown phase has been like really difficult.
Right. But okay, so everybody, including me, is very eager to know how did all of this begin? Like, when was the first time that you got onto a vehicle and you felt something different?
So this all started back then when I was in school. So I had my friends. So normally my friends were guy friends, and all of them, and I was the only girl amongst them. And so one of my guy friends, he got a bicycle, a BMX bicycle. And later the other friend got the same cycle. And then this thing kept on going. So all my 4 to 5 friends had one BMX cycle, and then even I wanted a bicycle. I asked my dad, to get me a cycle. But then that cycle was again a little girly. It had this basket on that with side wheels and Mickey Mouse print, red and pink color, and it has this proper V shape, specially made for girls. So that really picked me, and I was like, no, I don't want the cycle. I want the same cycle like my friends. And then I started, copying or competing with them. So my friends started learning how to ride a scooter, and then I did so. And then this switched on to bike, and even I wanted to learn a bike. So but the first time, I really connected with motorcycle, I think was when I used to sit in front of my dad's bike on the bike tank, and he used to allow me to throttle. So my only work for a shorter distance, obviously, but my only work was to sit ahead and throttle the bike. That was the time when I really felt I think यही मुझे है जो करना है, and this gives me a very happy face. So yeah.
Yeah, so I think it all began right from childhood.
From childhood.
And it's clearly more than a passion for you. It's like not just a habit, but it's also your profession right now. So, when did you start feeling that, this is something that you want to do on the bigger level, like on a serious level? Like, when did you start traveling across cities?
Traveling across cities, this was like around 3 years, three and a half years ago. Um, so I was searching for, so I am a MBA student, dual specialization. I did that.
Right.
I switched around 8 to 9 jobs. I've done multiple MNC jobs. I tried everything, but this
Hmm.
9 to 5 thing didn't really work for me. And I always wanted to do something in motorcycle. So I kept searching for a year and a half,
Hmm.
and the only job which came up on Google was delivery boy. So, um, but there was a time when I thought, let's just take up this job in spite of doing MBA, because you'll get a chance to ride across the city and inside interior and everything. But then I came across a channel, a YouTube channel. Back then, it was, I think, somebody from France who used to motor vlog, and nobody knew the
Hmm.
concept of motor vlogging actually.
Right.
So I thought, let's give it a try, because I want to see a girl doing it firstly. Secondly, what a girl actually feels when she goes on a ride. Nobody told me, and it was not there on internet also. So I
Yeah.
thought, why not? Let's just start doing it. Probably, so back then it wasn't. So till now, I think it is not a
Yeah.
profession. Motorcycling is not a
Right.
profession.
Right.
But then I really struggled hard to turn my passion into profession. And yeah,
Right.
now I'm doing full-time motor vlogging as a career.
Yeah. But what was the initial reaction of your parents? Because something that you do, like motor vlogging, is a sort of breaking stereotypes because
Right.
vehicles are like bikes are always called as a men's toy. It's just
So,
always related to
yeah.
boys. So, what was the initial reaction of your parents?
Um, so my mom always knew that, I wanted to do something in motorcycles. She saw me struggling hard, working day and night, but nothing really worked out for a longer period of time. Um, so it took a while, for them also to digest, because if mom was supportive, dad was 50% supportive. But then,
Yeah.
to struggle out that 50%, it was really
Hmm.
hard. I somehow tried convincing my mom, I
Hmm.
had this thought that दोनों में से कोई एक parent अगर अपनी support में रहेगा तो probably I can, win the bet.
Right.
So mom was always supportive. Throughout my first ride, my first long ride, I would call it like a 150 kilometers one way ride, was with my mom. So
Oh, that's lovely.
like the bada wala ride, and the chota
Yeah.
wala ride was again with her only to the market.
Hmm.
So she had this confidence and belief in my riding skills also, that गिराएगी नहीं and safely आ जाएगी घर पर. And
Hmm.
she had this habit of sitting behind as a pillion also. So my
Yeah.
first ride, on my first ride, I then had my own bike. I just
Hmm.
wanted to go on a ride a day before I bought a new helmet.
Hmm.
And I kept texting my friends that मुझे ride पे जाना है, कोई bike देगा क्या? So after convincing so many, one message popped up, ठीक है तो मेरी bike लेके जा, and that was again his new bike. So
Yeah.
I told my mom, bike arrange हो गई, I'm going for this ride, and again it was monsoon ride. And
Hmm.
so it was really surprising for me on hearing a reply that मैं भी join करती हूँ करके ride, even I'll come. So
Right.
first ride was with
Right.
her, and we really had fun. I took her as a pillion. It was a group ride and everybody were really shocked. एक तो एक ही लड़की, ऊपर
Hmm.
से लड़की आ रही तब माँ को लेकर आ रही. So this was their reaction.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we rode across Lonavala, monsoon time, greenery everywhere. We saw landfall. It was really scary because so the vision was not clear. It was foggy everywhere and heavy rain. But yeah, I enjoyed. That was my first ride. So
Yeah.
so slowly, gradually, I think I kept on doing rides, and उनको confidence आ गया करके हाँ हो सकता है करके. Because so the struggle took many years. The struggle started during my college days itself.
Hmm.
I tried convincing them कि मुझे जाना है राइड पे, तो आज नहीं. अगर वो लोग हाँ बोल देते तो I don't have a bike, I don't have proper gears,
Hmm.
I don't know whom to go with on ride. अगर अकेली जाती हूँ तो कैसे होने वाला है. So these all questions, popped up. Also, there was relatives का pressure बहुत ज़्यादा था. So अभी भी ताने मिलते थे mom को that she's a girl. How are you allowing her to go on a ride, which is very scary, and girl traveling alone is not safe in India.
Yeah. Yeah.
So all this she had to bear, but I think it all did pay off.
Yeah, right. Yeah, absolutely. Even it's great that you had the support of your mother and your father eventually. But despite the support of parents, a lot of times there are many demoting messages that come from relatives and friends, people around you. Yeah. So did you receive any demotivating messages?
I receive that every day. I mean, till date, I think even a minute ago, I must have received a message. So initially, it was really hard for me to digest all these trolls and people talking behind my back. There were times when I saw these comments and got really depressed. I didn't really, so back then I thought, so I crossed around 1,000 subscribers when I opened my YouTube channel. And I think around 80% were trolls and comments which would have made been कि बस हो गया बंद कर दे, this is not meant for me. People they didn't really give me their hand out. So motor vlogging community itself, motor vloggers were not very welcoming because again it was new for them and they thought that लड़की है तो पूरा attention ले लेगी वो. So these two
Yeah.
things were there in their mind, and so they had this thing going on the internet. I think 2.5, 3 years ago, that how to become India's first female motor vlogger. They had these 9 steps, which is
Yeah.
again all trolling steps. Bike खरीद लो, helmet खरीद लो, makeup कर लो, बाइक पे बैठ जाओ, heels पहन के, बस हो गया, ये इतना
Yeah.
आसान है मोटर व्लॉग
Yeah.
करना. But so that was really heartbreaking.
Yeah.
I was not well for like 7 days. I was admitted, saline lagaya, glucose lagaya, all this thing happened. But now when I see these messages, the only thing I do is either vlog or either take it positively.
Right.
So if now they make these 10 steps, I would reply back to them that हाँ ये सब steps तो है, but ये सब खरीदने के लिए भी तो you require money. It is
Exactly.
not easy. Your gear itself costs around 50,000 to 80,000.
Right.
Your bike costs around
Yeah.
4 lakh, 5 lakh. Makeup भी महंगा हो गया है. So I would reply back to them like this now.
Yeah.
So, so I think blocking and ignoring is the only solution to hate comments. And slowly, gradually, you will, make your own community who will support you. And haters automatically फिर निकल जाएंगे. But I think haters equally is important in life because they
Yeah.
do a reality check at times, I believe.
Right.
And the words इतने pinch कर जाते हैं that you feel like doing better and making videos better next time. So
Right. Right.
I think haters are also important in life.
Yeah, but like you said, that the trolls got so intense that I cannot even imagine that you had to get hospitalized for the same. But all these thoughts, did they not affect you? Did you ever feel like, this is it, I don't want to do it anymore? Like, it's very difficult.
Every next day I felt like giving up. Every next day.
Yeah.
बस हो गया, अब नहीं करना है, नहीं होगा, बस नहीं करना है. So out of those, so 80 comments were very bad. But after a while, when I was admitted and hospitalized, after that, मेरे को ऐसे लगा करके बस हो गया. What about those 20% who really want to see me doing it? Let's do it for them. So now
Right.
those comments were like top up and recharge for me. कि अभी
Yeah.
उनके लिए तो कर दे. It's not for them. Let's just do it for yourself. So slowly, when you reach a age where you won't be able to ride या कुछ किया नहीं है घर, तब ऐसे बोलते ना कि लाइफ में क्या उखाड़ा है. अगर वो चीज तुम्हें देखना है तो आई थिंक यूट्यूब इज द बेस्ट थिंग. रिकॉर्ड एंड अपलोडेड, लेटर यू कैन वॉच इट आराम से. तो आई हैव
Yeah.
टू फंडा कि क्या उखाड़ा है यार, मैं तो ये तुम सबको दिखा सकती हूँ. So what the thing is there. So firstly, when I made videos was for me, and then later for those top ups, recharge kind of comments which I used to get. But now,
Yeah.
yeah, for everybody, it's for haters also.
Yeah. But I think now you just proved your point because now you have done enough to,
Yeah.
let your work speak for yourself.
Mm.
But I also read in an article that you started motor vlogging, and you started vlogging because you wanted to protest against certain boys who used to bully you in school.
Mm, so this was not a protest, I would say, but I just wanted to prove, my point that
Yeah,
लड़कियां भी कर सकती है.
it was like an answer. Yeah.
It was an answer that stop bullying girls. ऐसे नहीं है कि actually I think there's no work that a girl can't do.
That's right.
So
That's true.
this was just an answer back to them.
Yeah.
And this was the
So,
only way I think I could, tell them, and the best way कि देखो तुम लोगों ने बोला था ऐसे ऐसे होगा, but ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, इसका पूरा opposite हो रहा है.
right. So, how many years has it been that you're riding now?
Oh my God. Riding, I started, I think 8th standard itself. So proper riding when I received license. But ऐसे ही छुप छुप के ride करना was, I think 9th, 10th standard I started. My
Yeah.
dad sneak out and ride in my area with my friends. And
Yeah.
then college में I saw my friends bike के जाना दे. So it was always a bora thing for me, bike. Then I got my own bike and did my first my first big ride was Leon Ladakh. This was in 3 years ago.
3 years ago, right. So,
Yeah.
ever since you started doing this professionally, do you ride solo or do you go along with other clubs like moto clubs?
Okay. So my first ride with my mom was with a club, but then I realized I don't really enjoy with riding with group because they have this proper formation. You cannot take halts. अगर एक halt लेता है तो सबको रुकना पड़ता है. So and there is this kind of responsibility also riding in a group. You cannot stop everywhere and click pictures. So I am a girl who loves taking halts and who loves exploring. I would probably not ride on highway, but I would go interior and explore. So this I realized like on my first ride itself, I think that group is not meant for me. But I did try, riding with 2, 3 different groups, but it didn't really work out for me. So I started riding solo.
Yeah.
And then so I divided my rides. अगर ऐसे type की ride I ride with my friends. If it's a very big ride, I just solo because all my friends they are working 9 to 5 again and they cannot afford so many holidays. I still remember my friend saying that अगर तेरे साथ रहेंगे तो हमको हमारी job तो छूट जाएगी. And it didn't really happen, one of my friends उसको job छोड़नी पड़ी because he got so influenced by me. Right पे चलना है, right पे चलना है. But he started his own business, that is different. But हाँ उसकी job छूट गई थी. And there is this one more friend who kept on saying मुझे मेरा हाल ऐसे नहीं करना है करके. So riding with friends is always fun. But when I ride solo, I get to know myself better. I learn a lot. I explore a lot. I can connect to myself and my bike. So I think riding solo preferable, and I ride solo normally.
Yeah. So you prefer riding solo, right? But that comes with a lot of challenges, of course, because when you're riding solo, you're all by yourself, and many things like personal hygiene becomes a problem because you have to travel.
Yeah. So I think riding solo for a girl is different, and riding solo for a boy is different. So being a girl,
absolutely.
biggest problem I face every time is going to a washroom. So crossing states and riding inside city is easy because you get McDonald's and CCD, and you can go and easily use the washroom. But when you ride on a highway, petrol pump is the only option you can go and pee around and come. But then this one thing. So I have a luggage, like a proper luggage and saddle on my bag wherever I go. So uska dhyan kaun lega? Because that is not locked. It's a bag. So and I have my gadgets, my clothes, and my essentials in that. So even if I go to the washroom, what I do is, I hide my camera somewhere, GoPro, and I click it on. Back को properly बांध कर, plastic बांध कर. I have to remove all my gear.
I think your network is a little blurry. So, like you said that you prefer traveling solo, but that also comes with a lot of challenges because personal hygiene becomes a problem and safety becomes a problem because you're all by yourself throughout the journey. So, how do you deal with that?
I think riding solo for a girl and for a boy is totally opposite. If a boy says मैं solo travel करता है समझ में आता है. If a girl says मैं solo travel करती हूँ, it comes with a lot of things. So I think the biggest issue I have faced during my rides is washroom कहाँ ढूंढूं. And so on rides you need to keep yourself hydrated. अगर खाना भी नहीं खाए तो चलेगा, but water is a must. One thing. And then अगर पानी पीते हो तो washroom कहाँ जाना है. So city में if you ride, it's okay, you can use TCD, you can use McDonald's. But when you keep crossing states, uh, you cannot find washroom. And even if you do, वो petrol pump पे ही होता है सिर्फ. And I think petrol pump is the safest and the only option girls should rely on to use, to go to washroom. But there is a task. I feel like Big Boss ने मुझे task दे दिया है that washroom जाना है विशाखा. So I have to, first search a proper safe parking and petrol pump. And parking भी ऐसे जो washroom के exact सामने रहे. Like मैं से दरवाजा खोले और मुझे bike दिखाई दे. ऐसे parking होना चाहिए because I have this luggage on my bike and gears होते हैं मेरे, gadgets होते हैं पूरे, so I have to keep them safe. So ऐसी parking पहले ढूंढनी पड़ती है. And so going to the washroom also you have to get rid of your gears first.
Yeah.
So helmet निकालो, फिर helmet के अंदर जो mask पहना है वो निकालो, and then the gloves होता है वो निकालो, remove your jacket and the liner, and
My
then
God.
so बहुत task होता है. And then I have my thigh pouch also on around my waist. Then I remove my thigh pouch, and then comes the riding pant that I go inside. वो riding pant निकालने को it takes seconds, and then एक कभी कभी हो जाता है यार नहीं बस हो गया वॉशरूम ही जाना है. I'm gonna wear huggies and I'm gonna travel around,
Yeah.
which
I think
which I did. The reason I did that was because अभी तो पेट्रोल पंप हो जाते हैं जब हाईवे पे चलाते हो, but when you go to नॉर्थ ईस्ट, when you go to लेह लद्दाख, स्पीति, ऐसे उत्तराखंड ऐसे सब जगह पे जाते हो माउंटेन्स के पहाड़, तो वहाँ पे वॉशरूम होता नहीं है, वहाँ पे ड्राई वॉशरूम होता है. एंड देन आई थिंक मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वहाँ पर नहीं जाओ, ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है अंदर. But then you have to use it because it is so dirty, and for boys it is so easy. You can खुले में go and pee around पहाड़ों पे मस्त नज़ारे के सामने. But for a girl you have to search for a dry washroom which is so dirty you cannot even enter. And then you have to unload, I would say unload your gears every time, and then go inside and sit. And वो जो 1 मिनट का स्पैन होता है गियर्स निकालने और वो जो स्मेल होती है वो पूरा आपको ऐसे इसे सहन करना पड़ता है. इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट टू डिस्क्राइब आल्सो. एंड देन कम आउट, भाग के आई कम आउट, एंड फिर बाइक भी देखनी पड़ती है कि सेफ है कि नहीं. तो वो अगर तो देयर आर टाइम्स दैट वॉशरूम ऐसे होता है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. बट लकीली हो गया. हाँ, सो दैट वाज द टाइम आई थिंक व्हेन आई थॉट ऑफ यूजिंग जो हगीज होते हैं मैमी पोको पैंट जैसे जो होते हैं, वो मैंने बोला यार यूज करके हमको देखना चाहिए. बिकॉज आई थिंक अगर ये होगा तो बाकी गर्ल्स के लिए भी सोल्यूशन होगा, बिकॉज दूसरा कोई सोल्यूशन है नहीं. सो मैंने वो 2 ट्राई तो यूज तो किया है, बट वो बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाता है. So when you wear your inner lining pants and your riding gears and उसके आगे you have this big thing under your butt, तो वो थोड़ा सा uncomfortable होता है. But then मैं सोचा छोड़ो, let's just keep using washroom and carry hygiene stuff around with you. So this was just one problem which I mentioned. There are so many problems when I ride.
exactly.
So रात को when I ride, so the recent ride which I did, Narmada Parikrama ride, वहाँ पर I faced, so this was again a 8 days ride which I did solo. Okay, now I think now I can see you. So so there are like a lot of problems. One more problem I remember when I did this Narmada recently, my ride which I did was a cause ride, Save River, Save Nation. It was again a Narmada Parikrama ride. वहाँ पर so this is something new for me which I faced. इसके पहले मैंने कभी नहीं किया था. अकेली अगर लड़की ट्रैवल करती तो उसको रूम नहीं मिलते स्टे करने के लिए. So I struggled 3 nights, different locations for accommodation. This was one problem. I
Yeah.
know क्यों ये ऐसे हुआ. Maybe till now, people in India are not used to seeing girls traveling alone and अकेले रहना. I think उनको हमेशा से गड़बड़ लगता है अगर लड़की अकेले है तो. This is one problem. One more problem that I face is so so I have this helmet which has a pony, so that's a helmet, and उसको ऐसे ponytail होता है जो कि मम्मी ने धोने डाला है शायद. So that ponytail now has become a symbol, I think, for me. So उसके पीछे का reason ये है. So पहले क्या होता था कि जब दिन में राइड जाती थी, लोग आकर
Hmm.
ऐसे, because my gear and everything was so attractive, people used to come and just tap, अरे भाई साहब सुनो करके, अरे भाई साहब ये देखो, हेलमेट छूना, बाइक छूना, अपने आप को, so
Yeah.
I didn't really like their touch to me and on my bike and around. So अभी I want people to know that it's a girl who's riding. Please तुम थोड़ा सा दूर रहो करके. So that ponytail is a symbol.
Ponytail.
Yeah, is a protection symbol during daytime, I think, for people to know that अच्छा लड़की है तो थोड़ा आराम से बात करो करके, ऐसा नजदीक मत चले जाओ एकदम. Otherwise they used to come here and talk, अरे भाई साहब ये क्या है कैमरा. So I have
Yeah.
this camera also on my head. This is touch and ऐसे हिलाते थे. So I have
Yeah.
faced all this. That's the reason I have this ponytail now. Now, so the same situation at night. So this ponytails are detachable. I remove those ponytails because again I don't want people to know that it's a girl who is riding at night. It is not safe.
Right.
It
Right.
is actually not safe. I remember I was stuck during the parikrama ride itself. Google Map ने बोला था that take a ride, and
Hmm.
I saw it's a dead end, and it was late night. The roads were so bad, and मैं कोई तो farm में चले गई थी वहाँ पे, and left and right was field. So that time there was no network. थोड़े टाइम पहले था पर वो टाइम पे था नहीं. एंड जैसे ही मैंने सो आई हैव फॉग लैम्प्स आल्सो, उसको मैंने ऑन किया, देखा तो आगे डेड एंड है, एंड आई सॉ थ्री मेन एक्चुअली सिटिंग अहेड. एंड उसमें मुझे यू टर्न लेना था बिकॉज दो तो टिपिकल होते हैं ना, लोग वाइट कलर का पहनकर जिस सिट एज इफ
Yeah. Yeah.
वॉट, हाँ, बॉडी करने बैठे हैं ऐसे पोजिशन
Huh.
पे, बस स्क्वाट पोजिशन पे दे वर सिटिंग,
Hmm.
एंड ऐसे पूरा धुआं धुआं उनके आसपास हो रहा है. So that if you imagine, that scene was so scary for me, and मुझे वहां
Yeah.
से भागना था. I just wanted to save my life. But वो रोड इतना नैरो था that वो गाड़ी को ऐसे पूरा यू टर्न लेना was very difficult. टर्न लेना was very difficult. तो अब मुझे से आगे पीछे आगे पीछे आगे पीछे करके फिर मुझे निकालना था गाड़ी. But उतने टाइम में I saw these three men coming towards me. एंड और जब मैंने हाफ वे में टर्न कर लिया था गाड़ी, उतने टाइम में उनमें से एक बोला था, एंड द एक्शन व्हिच यूज्ड वाज, और छोरी किधर जाना है. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे केम टू नो इट्स अ गर्ल हु इज राइडिंग,
Good.
बट
Yeah.
पता चल गया. एंड देन मैंने फुल थ्रॉटल रखा था गाड़ी का, और पैर से मैं आगे पीछे करी थी, क्या आवाज भी आ रही थी ताकि वो लोग डरे आवाज से. एंड गाड़ी टर्न भी हो रही थी, एंड यू टर्न लेके जैसे मैंने थॉट किया एज मेरे पीछे किसी ने बॉम्ब छोड़ दिया, या इफ आई स्टॉप आई डाई, ऐसी वाली सीन हो गई थी. एंड आई केप्ट ऑन राइडिंग सो फास्ट, जहां तक मुझे लाइट नहीं दिखी, एंड आई सॉ गुड पीपल अराउंड एंड रोड अराउंड. So this was again, that was the first
Yeah.
time I ever experienced. And वो time पे ऐसा phase था जब I saw a lot of uh, 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 news about rape cases all over India. वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया था, तो
Hmm.
मुझे बहुत डर लगा वो टाइम पे.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
one scary thing. So you keep on facing problems, but you should be
Yeah.
smart enough to know how to tackle them. वो situation ऐसी हो जाती है that वो don't give up वाली हो जाती है, अपने आप को बचा लो वाली हो जाती है. So every ride I come up with some new problem and then tackle it around.
Right.
So
Right.
I,
So there are like a lot of unseen and unsaid problems that go behind riding as well that people.
yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so further we'll talk about YouTube. So, you make videos, you're a content creator, you're a vlogger, and I'm sure you might have come across this entire YouTube versus TikTok controversy, Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you feel about it?
So a lot of followers and subscribers wanted me to make a special video on YouTube versus TikTok, but I didn't feel like I should make one. But in one of my video, what I did mention about this, it was a minute video, that TikTok पे हो या YouTube पे हो, content is content, and मतलब I think audience is smart enough कि आपको कौन सी type का content देखना है, and a creator is very smart enough आपको कैसी type की audience चाहिए. So I didn't really feel right that this controversy thing was going on because these two are very different platforms. I've recently joined, जब मैंने I think join किया तभी ये problem हो गया था. So I didn't really create a lot of videos on TikTok. But initially when I started was a lip sync video which I did. उसको ज़्यादा views नहीं आया, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आया. But later, so 4 to 5 videos if you see on my TikTok was very creative. It took hours. I took
Yeah.
around 6 to 7 hours, and वो उतना टाइम लगता है बनाने के लिए. अगर लोग बोलते हैं कि इतना टाइम 15 सेकंड का वीडियो बनाने के लिए सिर्फ 15 सेकंड जाता है, तो आई थिंक इट्स दोज टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज जहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको लिपसिंग करना पड़ता है, थोड़े से एक्सप्रेशन देने पड़ते हैं, एंड देन यू आर डन. But if you use that platform properly, like the way I did, बहुत creative करके वो 15 मिनट 15 सेकंड में आपको स्टोरी बताना होता है पूरा. So वहाँ that is one thing which I learned. Now coming to YouTube, आप आराम से आपका ब्लॉग खींच सकते हो और बातें कर सकते हो और स्टोरी बता सकते हो because you have your time. But on TikTok you don't really have that time. So that is a
Yeah.
challenging part on TikTok, and I really like that thing. मुझे नया कुछ सीखने को मिला था that 15 सेकंड में you can actually narrate a story and even come up with a
Yeah.
script. And
Right. Right.
but there's a drawback that अगर आप lengthy video बनाते हो तो it doesn't really work on TikTok and it has to be short. Now coming to YouTube, YouTube is my favorite. Because I started off with it, and वहाँ पर content बहुत अच्छा होता है, and जो cringy content होते हैं वो ज़्यादा work नहीं करते on YouTube. Also, YouTube is very smart, to take them off. So
Yeah.
also the suggested videos आता है जिस type का आपको content पसंद है on YouTube. So I think content होता है no matter what platform you upload
Yeah.
it on, and
Yeah.
content is king. So
But I think the main issue with this debate, like this versus debate, was that content को side रख के people were roasting each other, like TikTokers versus YouTubers हो गया था. It was like that.
I felt that बस मौके का सबने फायदा उठा लिया. बोलते ना गंगा बहरी तो अपना हाथ धो लो, व्यूज ले लो एंड पैसे कमा लो. एक टाइम पे वैसे हो गया था. आई डोंट नो, people were just wondering, title आ जाए अपने वीडियो पे TikTok versus YouTube because that was again trending, and content creator को trending चीज पे ही वीडियो बनाना चाहिए. So I won't blame them, but audience को trending चीजें देखनी है, so content creator को वो फायदा उठाना था, उसने उठा दिया.
Right.
So I
Okay,
would balance
coming.
it out like that.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Vishaka, how many female motovloggers have you met throughout?
I met one, I think 1 year ago. I think I met her during a meetup in Pune. But then she stopped motovlogging now.
Why? Do you know? Like,
Yeah, because she got married and now she has kids. So थोड़ा सा पंगा हो गया उनको motovlogging के लिए.
yeah. But so you don't meet a lot of female motovloggers often.
I don't really know a lot of female motovloggers in India. I know few from international. I am constantly in touch with them. We have this एक साल में we come on YouTube and do international female motovloggers day. We celebrate, and we do a live session wherein, and I see no zero from India, and I see मतलब there are hundreds of female motovloggers outside, but zero from India.
Yeah, I think it'll just take a bit more inspiration, and with everything that you're doing, maybe that can
So
push.
people do get inspired. They send me emails. There are girls, who started riding. अब ये हो जाता है कि उनको बाइक चलानी आ तो गई है. but then how to motovlog? Because motovlogging, I think you have to go on long rides. You should not be shy of camera
And
friendly only.
plus, I think it's very expensive also to
It is
motovlog.
very expensive. So you need proper bike, you need proper gears, you need proper camera. Motovlogging camera itself, I think starts GoPro costs around 25,000, 30,000. Then you have to buy adapter, proper mount, proper mic. Then you need to get an intercom. So ये सब चीजें invest करना, पैसे डालना, it is very expensive. And अगर ये हो भी जाता है, अगर घर से support मिल जाता है, तो a girl I think can do it. But खुद के पैसे invest करो. So
Yeah.
like I did, I started. So after 10th standard itself, I started working. So my first job I did was after 10. जैसे ही 10 खत्म हो गया, I think एक हफ्ते में job लग गई थी. It was again in a cake shop at Radio Club. I was a cashier. Earned 2,000 rupees, and monthly I used to work from 6 p.m. to 12, a.m. So I stopped that job also because एक middle aged man मुझे follow करता था. And back then I used to walk from my घर to office ऐसे था. This thing continued for 15 days. I saw him, spying and stalking and working behind
Yeah.
me. So फिर I used to tell my mom, to pick me up and drop करो. पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो गया था, तो वो job मैंने छोड़ दिया. Then somebody told me that आप events कर सकते हो
Hmm.
side पैसे कमाने के लिए. So I think for अच्छा खासा 7 to 8 years I did events. I started off with the promoter. So जो malls में होते हैं ना leaflet देते
Yeah.
हैं, I did that. We used to get paid around 300 rupees a day. So on weekends I did that. Weekdays में I used to study. Then सब मुझे किसी ने बोला अच्छी दिखती है, तो एक काम करते हैं, इसको hostess बनाते हैं. You've seen these girls around malls holding a notepad and paper. Sir आपका contact number दे दो
Hmm.
करके.
Right.
और हम उसको बोलते थे नहीं. So
Hmm.
I did that.
You does that. Yeah.
Struggle was there. Struggle was very hard. Then there was this event, Samsung का event. वहाँ पर जो mall activities होती है, and anchor होती है ना, she was absent, and my client was really worried. So I went to him and I asked him कि sir क्या हुआ, and he replied that anchor नहीं है, अभी show start नहीं होगा, and agency से इतना पैसा का उठाया हुआ है. I told him let me give it a try, because back then during my school days, I was the president of my school. Never had stage fear, debates, extracurricular activities. I was always ahead. हमारी school का annual day I used to host. So ये सब चीज में I was like plus points. So I thought why not use the same skills, because मैंने जब promoter and hostess थी, I saw how anchors used to host and pull crowd and talk. So उसने बिना कुछ सोचे that day what he did was, I was wearing this black color का dress. वो मुझे mall में लेके गया. He shopped a new gown for me. वो gown try किया मैंने. I liked it. He bought for me. वो मैंने पहना. We went to MAC. We did our makeup. It was a complete change thing for me. वो दिन properly I anchored, and वो client ने मुझे बोला था इतना अच्छा show अब तक किसी anchor ने नहीं किया. So I got compliments from him. Plus that day I was supposed to take home 800 rupees a day. I took 4,000 rupees that day. And I
Right.
got one more day ka anchoring also. So after that, people really liked my work. They liked the way I anchored shows. Then I did live concerts. I did corporate shows. I did press conference. So gradually scale increase hote gaya. And that is how I earned money and brought my gadgets, brought my gears. So it took struggle of 7 to 8 years, I would say, saving money. So my first laptop, I recently got my first laptop 2 months ago. इतना मोटर ब्लॉगिंग करियर कि so I used to borrow my friend's laptop, फिर भाई का पीसी पे एडिट करना, इसलिए मेरे वीडियोस भी बहुत डेली आते थे. So struggle was there. And मोटर ब्लॉगिंग अगर करना है तो एडिटिंग भी आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आता है तो इतना पैसा फेंकने को रेडी रहो that you can hire a editor and they can edit.
Editor. Yeah.
So again कंटेंट आ जाता है that क्या कंटेंट पे बात करना है, even if you motovlog, what to talk about. So motovlogging is struggle, but if you really want to do it, I think you will do it. So now I think also in India the biggest problem that girl faces is motivation firstly, and support from their parents. अगर
Correct.
motivation कहीं online मिल भी जा रहा है तुमको, तो parents का
हाँ,
support सबसे
support.
ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. And I think parents support is the only thing a girl requires. अगर वो हो जाता है, एक push मिल जाता है, तो she can go to नया एक planet खोज सकती है वो. वहाँ
Yeah,
से चले जाती है.
definitely.
That's amazing a girl can do. Yeah.
Right, that's true. Okay, we'll just come to the last question, Vishakha. So, like you said, you've done various jobs and you hold an MBA degree as well. So, what is your future plan? Are you going to continue motovlogging as a future job, as a profession? What is your plan?
I don't have a plan B. I am gonna stick to my plan A. YouTube full time as a career is the only plan I have. I have to think about content, my genre, what type of content to make. बस यही रोज सोचना है, and I'll make sure that I don't have a plan B in my life. I'm gonna
Right.
stick to plan A. YouTube and motovlog is the only thing. I'm gonna go on adventures, vlog for people, show them कि कैसे struggle होता है, अच्छी अच्छी बातें about India. So I've been only, covering the entire India as of now. I had plans of doing cross country, but I thought कि पहले India तो proper cover कर लो. There are so many people, जिसको India से भागना होता है, बाहर जाके cover करना होता है.
हाँ.
But there are so many beautiful places in India itself that you cannot compare it with any other country or location. So I want
Right.
people to know that there are beautiful places in India and हमारा culture. So every state you cross, you have a different culture. पूरा scene ही बदल जाता है मतलब.
Right.
So,
Right.
so I'm gonna continue YouTube full time.
Yeah. Are there any events or competitions about motovlogging? Have you participated in any or you plan to participate?
No, there are no competition event as
There are
such
no
as motorcycle.
competitions.
No, no. So people normally just invite us if there is a bike launch that is happening, or a review dena hai bike ka. So people invite motovloggers. That's the only thing
But
that happens.
riding competitions होते हैं?
Racing hota hai.
Racing होता
Racing hota hai. So, so I have a KTM. There is this KTM Orange Day which happens, which used to happen 6 to 9 years ago. Continuously हो रहा था. अभी उसको बंद कर दिया है. But I was the first, girl all over India to participate in KTM Orange Day. Then I did couple of circuit races also. So the first race I participated was in 2016. It was a drag race, Zoom 2016. First race, and I stood first. I clocked fastest female on track wala record.
Yeah.
So yeah, a couple of things that I've did. I learned stunting also back then when I used to do events. Stunting मैंने सीखा. मतलब every weekend कुछ ना कुछ टूट के आता था घर पे. So my entire, I think my body is entire fractured and repaired back. I had I had a head injury, my wrist, my shoulder, my spinal cord, my leg, so everything टूटा फूटा, and then so I have stitches over here also. Met with so many accidents. Almost reached the ICU and I've come back. So ये सब scene बहुत सारे हुए. But I'm gonna continue this.
Yeah, I think despite everything, despite all the challenges, I'm so glad that you said that you have only a plan A and you're going to stick to that. So I think we wish you all the best for that. And yeah. Thank you for joining us, Vishal.
Thanks, Kajal, for having me here.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.